Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we received the Echo Dot with clock. It has been on back order, so it was kind of nice when it finally arrived. Let's get this started. As you can see, it looks just like the normal Echo Dot. There's no noticeable changes between this version and the regular version. Let's see what else we've got. Normal dot instructions. And of course, the normal charger here. So, let me see if there's any information on the box. Ah, yes, it added information at a glance. And just the LED display. So the box is pretty much the same too. So I went ahead and got power cord from one of our other ones so we can plug it in and see how it looks. Normal blue ring. Keep expecting the LED to pop up.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup.
Pretty cool.
Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Well, that looks like that's the extent of the LED screen. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time.